Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can hide a song in Spotify. So just open the Spotify apps and select the songs you want to hide. So for instance, I am going to select the mix option here. And then just tap on a three dot in the song you want to hide. Just right. So tap on hide song. And the song will not be visible here and will not play in the mix song here. So just tap on hidden to open the hidden. So that's how to hide song in Spotify. It's so basic, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.